Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the question which appeared on 8th of January in Journal IELTS exam. So the question is very simple. What it says, many people try to look younger than their real age. So this is what our whole essay will revolve around. As you can read this. So now, what kind of question is this? This is a double direct question. How I can say this? First, it is asking one question. What are the reasons people do this? This is the one question, right? And the another question which is asked is this a good or a bad thing? Right? So these both questions do not connect with each other. For example, if there was a question, what are the reasons people do this and what could be the solutions? So we cannot consider it as double direct question. So for this, it is a double direct question in which two separate questions has been asked. Double direct essay. Right? I hope you have understood this because it is very simple that people try to hide their age, number of years, and try to look younger. Right? As we have seen, many of people go for plastic surgeries or take medicines to look younger and all that stuff. So first we will focus on reasons. What could be the reasons for this? The first reason for this problem could be corporate world influence, which means that advertisements play a bigger role in influencing people to go for plastic surgeries or to buy medicines to look younger or to buy cosmetics products as well. Right? So this could be one of the reasons. Or you can also add social media influence, which could be similar to this. Next point could be, which is also related to this point, is advancement in technology, as I have already talked about the plastic surgeries and all that stuff. So that could be covered in this part, advancement in technology, and people are aware of that. Third reason could be preconceived notion, which means people don't put their minds or think anything about it. They just conceive what others think. For example, if a person elderly than me is thinking that going for plastic surgery is a good idea to look younger, then I'm not putting too much thought into it and following the same. So it is a preconceived notion, right? Without any evidence, I'm following that, or without any education or without having a second thought, I'm just following what others believe, right? So that is called preconceived notion. Solutions, though the solutions are not being asked here, but I'm providing it just in case there's a question related to this. The solution for this could be educating people about the harmful effects that it has on our body. Or the second solution could be limit the advertisements, and that could be limited by the help of the government. Right? So government can help in limiting the advertisements which promote plastical surgeries or medicines like that. So these could be the reasons and solutions for this. Now we will move to second part of it, which is asking about the good or bad thing. In my opinion, what I believe is that it has a bad impact on the society and the people following this trend. So the first bad impact could be devastating impact on health, right? Which was the solution for this, educating people. I have already talked about it, right? So it is creating devastating impact on health of the general people. And the second could be not enough self-confidence. People following this trend don't believe in themselves, right? So that's why they go for plastic surgeries and things like that. And that could be transferred to their young ones, as I have talked about preconceived notions here. So if I believe that, I will transfer this to my children as well. So that will be a bad impact on younger generation. I hope you have understood all of these points and this makes sense to you. Now I will provide you with some of the draft of the essay, how you can write it, or you can say the sample answer. So as you can see, I have written the sample answer for you. I'll read it. First is the introduction, then is BP1, and at the another page there will be BP2, and then will be the conclusion. The first will be the introduction. It is undeniable that a lot of people try to hide their real age and attempt to look younger. Even vast majority feel embarrassed, if asked about their age. The reason for this could be the influence from corporate world and preconceived notion. As you can see, this is the rephrase or paraphrase of the question given. And then I have provided thesis line in which I have provided the reasons, which is corporate world, influence from corporate world, and preconceived notion. Though there was no question related to the solutions for this, but I have included this, which could be addressed by educating people and by imposing limitations on advertisements. If you want to include, you can include this, otherwise you can leave it to this point. In my opinion, so I have written this for this question, is this a good or bad thing? So in my opinion, what I think, so I have written according to that. In my opinion, it is bad for the general health of individuals and may also impact younger generation confidence level, right? So you need to provide thesis line. I have provided ideas in the introduction that what I'll be writing about. I will be explaining these points and will be providing examples related to these ideas. These are similar, right? I have provided you with this already. So we will next move to our first body paragraph. So you will write it as, to commence with, there are several reasons why people tend to look younger than they actually are. The first and foremost. So if you think that you don't have enough ideas or enough explanation for that, you can write this line to complete the word limit, that is 250 words. So you will write this line, right? The first and foremost reason could be the impact of advertisements on televisions, internet, and so on. People think the way corporates want them to think, which is what is called the power of advertising, in terms of altering the consumer's thinking and feelings. This is the explanation of this. Now we will add the example. This particular example is from my own experience. If you want to add any other example, you can add that, but I know this, so I have added this one related to Fair and Lovely, one of the beauty cream that was introduced in India, right? For instance, Fair and Lovely was the product introduced by Hindustan Unilever with the tagline that it will make your skin tone from dark to fair. This impacted people so much that its sales inclined dramatically at the first stage of its business. Here came the role of education to make the change. So this is past, right? This has been happened already. Here came the role of education to make the change. An online petition against it by a young girl led to a lawsuit, and the company had to change its name. Another reason for inclination towards looking young. Another reason. So this is the second reason. First explain till this point, and then I have provided example, right? If you want any shorter example, you can add that. Another reason for inclination towards looking young and beautiful could be the preconceived notion. Individuals follow what they see others doing without putting too much thought into it. I have already provided you the explanation of this when I was explaining the ideas, that what I believe my children will also believe that. Or you can relate this to our role models, the people we see on television or in movies. We try to copy them, right? So you can convert this point in that direction. I hope this will help you. First was the introduction, then first PP, and then we will move to second BP. So the second BP is about, is it a good thing or a bad thing? As I have already told you that I will write about the bad things, and we have already discussed the ideas. So we will read now. In my opinion, the trend followed by people to look young has negative impact on the health of individuals. For example, studies have shown a strong link between breast cancer and breast enlargement surgery. Right? I have also given the example here. Furthermore, these transformations led individuals to a path where they lose their self-confidence and cultivate the same to their younger ones. So this was the first idea, and here comes the second one. People tend to compare themselves with others, resulting into hypertension and stress issues. Right? And then we will move to conclusion. To conclude, some reasons leading people to the obsession to look young gets fueled by many factors, including media influence and perceptions. My inclination is towards living healthy and better life by following balanced diet and regular exercise instead of suffering from bad impacts of following unhealthy ways of looking young. So I have just changed the language to make it more effective, that what people can do, because I think it has the bad impact on their health. So instead of following that trend of plastic surgeries or having medicines, they can follow balanced diet and exercise regularly to look young and healthy. So this is all about the essay. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like the video as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye.